Hi everyone, I'm Aisha Sharma. So all of you have just learnt about taking care of your skin. However guys, looking good isn't enough. You need to present yourself in the right way to make a good impression. So, today we are going to be discussing various aspects related to grooming and presentation skills. So, are you guys ready? So, what do you think of me then and what do you think of me now? I'm sure your first thought was, what is this woman who is dressed and behaving so inappropriately going to tell us about grooming and presentation? You were right in thinking that way, because when you see someone for the first time, your mind forms an opinion of that person. Your appearance is a window to your personality. So it is very important that you make the right impression the very first time. And this is where your presentation skills are the most important. And the vital aspect of this is communication. There are two types of communication, verbal and non-verbal. The spoken word forms only 11%, while the rest of it is non-verbal communication. And this is what conveys a lot of information about you, more than your words. How you dress, how you walk, how you sit, how you stand, and how you speak to people. All these and more form a part of your image, both professionally and personally. So let's now see this through a little story. This is Rahul, a young, handsome boy and captain of his college football team. But there are two girls in his class, Shruti and Priya, who have been madly in love with him since their first year of college. They both want to tell Rahul about their feelings, and this might be their last chance.
Mon is alone. Go.
I was at that
You
point.
might never see him again. Go.
Really?
Go to him now.
We'll have to give it up, man.
But what if he says no?
And what if he says yes? Go.
It's your time to leave.
Hi Rahul,
Hi.
can we go for coffee?
Tomorrow, maybe. Next to college.
Yeah. See you.
Okay.
Bye.
See ya.
Yes. Oh, I'm so late.
Hey, watch out.
Hi Rahul.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. I woke up late and my alarm rang late. And you know, I just came running and this traffic and... Oh, sorry. Yeah, so you know this traffic. So okay, you ordered food already.
Yeah,
We finally get to meet. All these years we've been in class together for so long. Anyways, what kind of movies do you like to watch?
Action?
I hate action. Action's so boring. I like comedy and you know, romantic movies. You know, I watched this movie. It's got Brad Pitt and Angelina. And at first he doesn't like her, but then he loves her, and you know all of that. And
So, after college, what do you plan to do? Like, do an MBA, or like you plan to work or join the family
look,
business?
that's Neeta and her boyfriend. I knew they were going out.
Shruti. I would rather know about you more actually.
Oh yeah.
And of course, tell you about myself also, but you know.
Well, about me, so I just watch movies, go shopping, and I love to sing. You wanna hear me sing?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Okay. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Shruti,
That tonight's gonna be a good night. Did you like it?
Yeah, very, very good.
Thank you. Yeah, so other than, you know, singing, I like to read, I love gardening. Oh, I cook really well. There's so much I can tell you, but I'd like to know something about you now.
Well, other than football, I also do some painting. You know, I have this collection of paint.
Hi. Oh my god, yeah, I know about the sale. Yeah, definitely I'm going to come. I'll see you there then, yeah? Okay, bye. Yeah, so you were saying?
So I was just asking you if you're interested in coming to this exhibition of my paintings and, you know...
Hello, Sanjana. Hi. Yeah, the party's at 8 tonight. Yeah, you want to discuss what we're wearing? Yeah, okay, well, no, I can't. Don't be angry. Hold on. Sanjana, wait, Rahul.
You need help?
No. Yeah, actually. Thanks. Strange. How didn't I see that spot? It was right in front of me.
Maybe you're just waiting for me.
Maybe.
Hey, by the way, I'm Rahul.
I know. Who doesn't?
And you're Priya, right? The state debate champion?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
I wanted to grab a cup of coffee. Would you like to join me?
Sure, of course. So weather's quite good, right? Hi, what's up? Yeah, I like that place.
So, what did you do on Friday?
Friday? Nothing much, just went for a movie.
Oh, which one? X-Men?
No, Kung Fu Panda.
Oh, how was it?
It's a brilliant movie, yeah? It's so awesome and so gripping in the last part. The graphics and the animation was superb.
Wow.
You should go actually.
Is it? I'll definitely watch it this weekend.
I've been following a debate competition, by the way. You really deserve to be a champion. Like, how did I get into this debate?
Sorry. Yeah, I always love to argue, so it comes naturally. In fact, my dad, he always wanted me to be a lawyer.
Okay.
And can you just excuse me for a minute? I need
sure,
to take
sure,
this
sure.
call, yeah. Hello, uncle. I'm a little busy right now. Can I call you later? Great. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm so sorry.
It's
so,
okay.
Where were we?
Hey, by the way, are you into football by any chance?
Well, I prefer thinking sports more. So, chess, football, not so much.
So you wouldn't be interested in the last night's league match?
Don't get me wrong. I do understand football. So, yeah, tell me about the game.
Oh, cool. So, in last night's match, what an awesome match and what a mind-blowing last-minute goal that was. Yeah, so that's how it went, you know. It was just awesome. What a match.
Wow.
Really, really good, yeah.
You know what? You just made me a football fan too.
As we have discussed earlier, the syllabus
may I
remains
come
the
in?
same. Yes? Quiet. Silence. Shruti, behave yourself. As you all know that the campus recruitment interviews are starting tomorrow. The schedule has been put up on the notice board. I need all of you to look it up and choose the interviews that you wish to attend. And I wish you all the best.
You're late, young lady.
Sorry, sir.
So, Shruti, tell us about yourself.
Well, my name is Shruti and I was born in Bombay and I went to Bombay Scottish and doing my final year BMS, and my favorite hobbies are to paint, I like to dance, watch movies, play sports, and I also
Okay,
like
Shruti,
to...
that will be all. Tell me, have you ever lived outside the country any time in your life?
No. Why?
What one thing where did you get your accent from?
And is this your email ID? redhotgirl89@gmail.com.
Sorry, I forgot to change that.
So, which subjects are you specializing in?
Marketing management and accounting and taxation.
Okay, so could you tell us what is the balance sheet?
Well, a balance sheet is, like a list of financial statements, of a list of assets, liabilities.
Shruti, you don't seem very confident.
Of course I am.
Okay. Tell us what is working capital and how would you
Working
define...
capital is basically...
Okay, Shruti, that will be all.
You may go.
Hello.
So, Miss Priya Mathur, tell us about yourself.
I'm Priya Mathur. I'm a final year student of BMS. I went to several other schools before coming to Mumbai and joining St. Mary's School, and my hobbies are reading and traveling.
Okay, so Priya, what are the subjects that you like most?
Well, I like accounting, marketing management and economics.
So could you please define an audit for us?
Sure. An audit is an examination and verification of a company's financial and accounting records by a professional such as a certified public accountant.
Tell us more about what you want to do in the future.
Yes, sir. I believe in giving my 100% and I hope to be an asset to your company.
That'll be all, Priya. Thank you very much.
Thanks. It was nice meeting you. Rahul, I got the job!
Congrats, yeah.
There you go. An opportunity lost is another's gain. So you realize how important good communication and presentation skills are? They are the foundation of a successful relationship both personally and professionally. All-round development is what gives you an edge over the others. Now let's have a relook of what you've seen today. It's important to listen when someone is talking. Maintain eye contact. It shows that you're interested in the conversation and that you respect the other person's view. It's very rude to answer your phone when someone is talking. Cut the call and call back later. However, if it's an urgent one, you can always excuse yourself politely and answer the call. Always be on time. It is very disrespectful and unprofessional to reach late and reflects negatively on your attitude. Dress according to the occasion. Don't dress informally for a professional engagement. Avoid bright colors and too much makeup. Also, don't underdress. If you're not sure, ask. Make sure your hair is groomed and tied, as required by the occasion. Don't let underarms be sweaty, they ruin your appearance. If you have a tattoo, make sure you cover it well. Your posture defines your attitude. Always sit straight and upright. Let your hands be together on the table or on your lap. Prepare your topics well, speak confidently, clearly and to the point. Sometimes an interviewer may make you nervous just to test you. Don't react angrily or interrupt. Listen calmly and answer respectfully. After you're done, thank the interviewers for their time. It's elementary good manners, but it makes a lot of difference. So you see, it takes more than words to create strong, fulfilling relationships. Hence, you need to be adept at both verbal and non-verbal communication. People with good communication and presentation skills are always looked up to and well respected. Right, Shruti?
Yes, Aisha. And there isn't really a magic formula to be good at it. You just need to make a start and inculcate these habits in your daily life like I did. And now, with my newfound ability, I never lose out on an opportunity. I'm a winner all the way, so ensure that you present your best self to others. Once you do so, life becomes much easier and you truly start to enjoy it.
That's right. So good luck and goodbye. Stay beautiful always.
Inside and outside.